You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this archipelago, or these islands, hundreds of islands in the northwest coast of Scotland. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations from the UK, Scottish in particular, stay tuned. It's pronounced in English Hebrides. Let's break it down. Stress on that first he syllable, right? So it's not Hebrides, it's Hebrides. Hebrides. How to pronounce English pronunciation Hebrides. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.